Hi, today I'm running Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. Let's open the Muviz Edge application and then let's select one from these available tabs. Just tap to apply it. To change the backgrounds, you should swipe to the up or to the down with your finger, click to apply. To hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To show notifications and calendar, we should just click on the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging or never, just select one from these available options. So click to go back, switch AOD to the settings and to always on display. Here we can see the show on lock screen option, or to show it always while charging or on music, or also we could just use them separately. Also we could decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the timeout from 5 seconds to never, to change screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape or to the reverse landscape, to use it in low power after, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen if you use fingerprint unlock method, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize Always On Display option on our Honor device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.